Hi everybody, thank you so much for tuning in again today. I was requested to create this soft pink glam, so I used the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession and I kept it quite simple. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and learn, keep watching. Let's get into it. So I'm picking up the shade with a large blending brush and I'm applying that to the crease. This is going to be our transition shade. With a denser blending brush, I'm applying the shade to the crease for more definition. I'm picking up this eggplant color with the MAC 2117 blending brush. I'm applying this to the outer V and blending it until it's seamless. Now I'm taking the shade and I'm going to apply it to my crease because I decided I want a little bit more definition up there. I'm now picking up the shade for the lid with a packer brush. I did wet the brush beforehand with some Fix Plus just so that it's a little bit more opaque when it's being applied. I'm going to apply the shade underneath my brow bone so it looks a little bit more clean. So here I'm just taking some makeup remover on a cotton pad and cleaning up underneath the eyes. And as always, we're going to take the exact same shades and we're going to work them right underneath. And here I'm going to take the Makeup Forever eyeliner and just quickly tightline. Now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm applying this to all of the high points of my face, and then I'm going to blend that in with my tried and true beauty blender. So one thing about the Beauty Blender is that you want to make sure that it's damp. This is going to give you a seamless application and it's just going to look completely flawless. And now I'm going to take the Hourglass Veil Powder and just quickly set that underneath my eyes. And now taking this MAC powder, I'm going to apply it all over my face and I'm going to make sure that it's completely locked and matte. And now taking my favorite bronzer ever, I'm going to apply this to the perimeter of my face and just give me a little bit more color. Here I'm still taking the Pro Fusion bronzer and I'm applying it to my nose with a smaller brush, and this is going to act as a contour. Now I'm taking the NARS Orgasm blush. This is like absolutely stunning on every skin tone, and I'm just going to keep blending that until I am happy. And now I'm just going to take that Hourglass translucent powder again and just carve out right underneath my cheek so it's more defined and clean. And now I'm going in with the MAC Soar lip liner, and I'm using that little puff underneath so I don't remove any of the product that's already applied to my chin. So with the lip liner, you want to go ahead and define your lip. One of the things I like to do is actually apply it all over the lip, just to act as a base and ensure the longevity of the lipstick. Now I'm applying the MAC lipstick. Color is Syrup, and then I'm going to apply the D-Light lip gloss just to the center of the lip. And now it's time to dust off all that excess powder. For highlight, I'm going to be using the NARS Albatross highlighter. This one has a wonderful like gold iridescent shimmer to it. It looks so good on the skin. I'm going to switch over to a smaller brush for my nose, and then I'm going to use my finger just to kind of blend it out a little bit more. And as always, I'm going in with my favorite spray to set all of my makeup. And that's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back every Monday. If there is anything in specific that you want to see, please leave it in the comments below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you.